I've had the Gionee F205 for a while now and used it as a secondary phone, but how has it fared and how does it hold up in today's smartphone saturated world? Let's dive in as we explore and review in full the Gionee F205. Let's get the specs out of the way first. The F205 sports a 5.45-inch 720p HD screen with an 18:9 aspect ratio display. It's got 2GB of RAM, 16GB of ROM, a 2607 mAh battery, no fingerprint sensor, a quad-core MediaTek processor clocked at 1.3 GHz, 5-megapixel selfie camera, and 8-megapixel rear camera. All these specs put this device at an entry-level status, which is exactly what it is. Specs aside, how does the F205 perform? It's a very entry-level smartphone, so you shouldn't expect great performance. I was able to live comfortably with the device by simply substituting main apps like Facebook and Twitter for their light version. Although the experience with these light version is not comparable to the actual full apps, they'd help you survive with a phone like this. 2GB of RAM isn't helpful at all in this time where most of all the apps on our phones are data and resource hungry. That isn't to say the regular apps won't work on this device, it will just be a bit slow. One other challenge I had was with the inbuilt storage capacity. It's capped at 16GB, and I would have thought that by 2018 we would have moved away from these storage sizes. Nevertheless, you have an included memory card slot which should help out with storage when the inbuilt 16GB is used up. That being said, the build quality of the Gionee F205 is one of the best features of this device. In my unboxing video, I mentioned that it felt very good and very compact, and my feelings have not changed from that. It's got a very finely finished body that's made from plastic, and the gold version I have here looks quite good. You get a very clean unibody design that looks silky smooth and quite minimalistic, and I mean that in a very good way. We have the headphone jack at the bottom, accompanied by a microphone, a micro USB charging port, and external speaker grills. Volume rockers and power buttons are on the right side. The dual SIM tray and memory card slots are all housed in one bay on the left of the phone. Up front, we have a 5.45-inch HD display which has quite good color reproduction and complements the compact nature of the unibody style phone. This screen has good viewing angles and does not suffer light bleeds or the likes. This is one part of this phone you'll be impressed with. Pictures look good and videos as well look great, although you're capped at 720p videos. The cameras on the F205 are very basic to say the least. They take okay photos and you'll be mostly satisfied with photos taken in environments with plenty of light. Low light photography, however, is a no-no on this device and you get a lot of grain in the pictures. Turning on the flashlight could help a bit but does not do a very good job of lighting and balancing your image quality. However, if your goal is just to post photos on social media, pictures taken in daylight sceneries should do just fine. The selfie camera as well performs averagely. It's not the best selfie camera in the world, but for a phone at this price point, you're getting what you're paying for. The battery life on this device is average. I took it off the charger at 7 AM and used it all day, and at 7 PM I had about 20% left. Charging your battery takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to go from 0 to 100%. Gaming on this device, in my opinion, should be restricted to 2D and casual games like Sonic Runners, Subway Runner, or Candy Crush and the likes of them. If you try any game graphic intensive, I can assure you that the device may not respond optimally. App performance, on the other hand, was neither here and there. Sometimes you have smooth fluid performance, other times you experience stutters and apps loading slowly. This is definitely due to the meager RAM and storage available on the device. Getting an external SD card and moving or installing most of your apps to the external memory card should help reduce the struggle for system resource. So in conclusion, the F205 is designed for first-time smartphone owners and those who are restricted budget-wise. The F205 goes for 43,000 Naira, and this, in my opinion, is a bit too much for a device at this level. Gionee should review the pricing on this device, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people would be interested in going for this phone. Thanks for watching this review of the Gionee F205. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. But if you loved it, hit the subscribe button. Remember, I'll be giving away a Techno Camera X at the end of May. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the button and follow me on all social media handles. Until I come your way again next time, it's peace.